Construction of the Yellow Creek Railroad began in 2016. Here's what we accomplished that year. The Yellow Creek Railroad will occupy 1,100 square feet, of a 2,500 square foot basement. Future plans include a 420 square foot outdoor extension. The track plan, shown here, will include a folded dog bone, the Valley Division, a loop-to-loop, the Mountain Division, and an outdoor extension. Overall dimensions are 40 by 45 feet indoors, and 12 by 35 feet outdoors. Preparations began in the winter of 2015. The basement was partially finished, the ceiling painted black, and the walls insulated with Thermax panels. Cutting large curves from plywood sheets would mean a lot of wasted wood. Since I was using sectional track, I chose to make sectional roadbed. First templates were made. Next, half-inch plywood was cut into 6-inch wide strips. Then, curved sections cut from the strips. Once 2 layers of these sections were staggered, glued, and nailed together, the roadbed became quite rigid, and provided very smooth grades. Layout construction began in the Hawkbill Yard area. This was fairly easy to build, since most is flat and level. All of the benchwork uses 2x4 framing, and half-inch plywood. When necessary, this can support the weight of a person to perform maintenance. My original plan called for use of a printed backdrop. It would hang in front of the drain pipe running around the basement walls. 2 separate patterns were tried. A mirror was installed at the yard end to give it a larger appearance. Another inspiration from John Allen and his gory and defeated. A temporary reversing loop was built to test the track bed assembly. It also provided a means to operate some trains, until bench work around the room was completed. The reversing loop was then moved, as new sections were built. As the right-of-way progressed around the room, sections were glued, clamped, and brad nailed on portable tables. Once a section of the track bed was completed, supporting framework replaced the tables. This raised or lowered the track to grade. Tracks had been extended to Hopkins Mill by the end of 2016. The entire layout is freestanding. Nothing is tied to the ceiling, walls, or floor. All power is supplied from outlets, located at the end of the Hawkbill Yard. This, along with being in a walkout basement, will simplify the railroad's eventual demolition and removal. This is what the railroad looked like near the end of 2016. All operation used batteries, radio controls, and manual switching. Thanks for watching.